Well, I'm getting ready to have a whole lot of fun because I'm going to stuff my stockings, and these are the things that I'm gifting this year, and I wanted to share them with you, but I want you to share some information with me. So that's my question of the day. What is your favorite stocking stuffer that you are gifting this year? That's kind of a mouthful, but let me know, because it will provide great ideas, and they don't necessarily have to be garden related, but they will give all of us lots of great ideas if we're looking for some last minute gifts to put in those stockings. So here are some of the things that I'm gifting this year. Now, I got this idea because I was actually given one for my birthday as a birthday gift. It's called a Birdie security device. It's an alarm that you can carry with you. So this would be great for college students that are walking on campus, or if you're working late and having to walk to your car. I plan on actually keeping it in my pocket wherever I go, even including when I work out in the garden. So now let me see. There we go. That's what it does. You pull this pin out, and then you secure it back into place, and it flashes this really bright light and obviously makes that really obnoxious noise, and you just point it at whoever is attacking you. And it's really great. You can attach it to your keychain, and it really doesn't activate over easily. I had really loosened it so that I could make sure that I could demonstrate how it works. But you can get this easily online. I got this off of Amazon, but I'm going to give one to both of my new daughter-in-law. So I think this is a great gift and a perfect stocking stuffer. So that's number one. Number two, this is a stocking stuffer for both my son and new daughter-in-law. They love little tiny cactus, and they collect them. They have their own little plant family. So I liked this one because it looks like it was kind of snow studded. I got this just at Home Depot. I put it in a little spode cup, and I'm going to tuck that into one of their stockings. So that's a fun gift idea. This is just a tiny little cactus. If some of the young people that you know are really into houseplants, I think that would be a novel and a fun idea. Stuart is gifting some of these to his mom. This is probably our favorite gift of the year that we discovered, and these are the Atrio tile earrings that have been designed by this woman who just uses inspiration from ancient tile work to create these beautiful earrings. And I have demonstrated these, I've worn them, I've shown you, and I got a pair for my daughter-in-law. Stuart got a pair for his mom. They are gorgeous. They're so expensive looking, and I just love them, and just the perfect size to tuck into a stocking. Now, moving on for my next one. This one, I got copies for both of my boys and their wives. This is The Psychology of Money. Now, this is a perfect example of you guys sharing information with me. So the author's wife sent me a copy. I believe her name was Gretchen. Gretchen, please correct me if I'm wrong. And she sent me a signed copy of her husband's book. Now, I have read a number of these kinds of maybe self-help books. This one is brilliant. I cannot recommend it enough. Any book that's recommended by Daniel Pink and James Clear, two of my favorite writers in this genre, is a winner for me. It is so common sense. It's just brilliant. I highly recommend it. And it would be a great gift. It would be a great graduation gift in so many different categories. So I'm tucking a copy of this paperback into both of their stockings. Now for my next stocking stuffer. So years ago, my daughter-in-law, my now daughter-in-law, then just my son's girlfriend, gave me some of this cocoa charcoal teeth whitener. I love this stuff. I have used it religiously for 2 years, but it can be kind of messy. You can see that it actually is a charcoal powder, and it can be a little bit messy when you use it. But I discovered this year that Colgate has come out with an optic white toothpaste that has the charcoal powder in it, and I've started using it, and I really like this too. So if you've got kids that just got braces off of their teeth or just are obsessed with having their teeth white, then I would highly suggest either the powder itself or this optic white toothpaste that you can just get at CVS or wherever. I also got some of these teeth whitening pens. You can get these off of Amazon or whatever, and I tuck these into my boys' stockings because they have been a little bit intrigued by that ever since they had braces and got their braces removed. Now, for the gals in your life, this is the only thing I have ever bought on Amazon that I have done the subscribe and save so that I get it regularly. This is hands down, and I've tried a million different varieties, but this is the best mascara I have ever used. It's called Lash Princess. I got this off of Amazon. It is under $5 a tube. And I promise you, it makes it look like you have false eyelashes, and it doesn't flake very much. It's absolutely brilliant, and I got this for my sisters, for my daughter-in-laws, for anyone. And I also subscribed and saved for myself, so I'll get this into the future. So I really love this. I'll make sure to put a link in the description box below, and Stuart's going to try to put some cards up. Okay, now moving on to my next thing. I don't care if you're a gardener or you're not a gardener. This is one of my all-time and repeated stocking stuffers from year to year. It is the Neutrogena Liquid Sunscreen. I love this stuff. I buy it in volume. I use it myself. It's not greasy. It goes on very, very smoothly. It's great for, let's say, any of the bald men in your life that really need to protect their head because it doesn't leave a really intense white residue. But I love this stuff. So for gardeners or non-gardeners, this is a great stocking stuffer. Now, my next recommendation. You guys know I am infatuated by these quick connect hose connectors where you just can detach one thing, your hose end sprayer, your fertilizer sprayer, whatever, off of your hose, and then just real easily detach it and reconnect something else. So I got some extra of these quick connects for my son, but also I found at Home Depot, I did not know, in my own experience, I needed a lot more of the male part of the duo than I needed the entire assemblage. So at Home Depot you can just get the male connectors, so I got some of those. Stuart's nodding. That is a really good to know thing. I didn't know if it was possible or not. So if you're a gardener, I highly recommend it, or highly recommend them to you because you recommended them to me. Something else that I think, if you're a gardener and you're obsessed with layering in the garden, hanging baskets, hanging plants, hanging lanterns, anything like that, I never seem to have enough of these hooks. I use them to hang my garden tools, bird feeders, all sorts of things. I don't think you can ever have enough of these, so I think this makes a great stocking stuffer. Now, in this instance, for my next product, I did my own stocking stuffer shopping for hubs to put in my stocking. I wanted one of these pucks, these honing pucks, to help you sharpen your own tools, hand tools. And I also got some of the honing solution. Now I'll probably have to do a video in the future on how to use this stuff because I've not heretofore had any experience with it. But I asked Hubs for it, I got it myself, and he can tuck it into the stocking. So that is yet another thing that I would really highly, highly recommend. Lastly, One of the things I love about my job and doing what I do is that I make such great connections with people. Sometimes they will ask if I review products for them, and then I not only am happy to find a new product, but I'm happy to make a new friend. And the people at Back Road Candle Company, I have worked with them over the years. I love their stuff, as does Oprah, I believe. I believe it was listed as one of her favorite things. I bought 3 of these this year. They were on sale. I believe they're still on sale, so check out their website. And it is called the Back Road Candle Company. These have wooden wicks. They are soy-based. They're hand-poured in Napa Valley. They really are a special gift. And you guys know I'm really a fan of burning candles, and I know it's a secret of adulthood that really good candles are important, not just those inexpensive ones you can get anywhere. These last a long time, and their fragrances are just so exceptional. So this time I got white oak, I got farmhouse wood. Don't you just love the names of these? This is farmhouse wood. Stuart, I think you would like this one. And this is my favorite, this one called Falling Pine. So this may go into my stocking, and these other 2 will go into my son's stockings. So there are just a few ideas of some of the things that I am stuffing my stockings with. So I just highly recommend that all of you guys get in the spirit, put on your Santa cap. Let me see if I can do this. Put on your Santa cap and fill those stockings with joy, love, and some practicality. And by the way, nobody ever has enough hose-end sprayers if you're a gardener. So there you go. There are lots of ideas to stuff your stockings with some great gift ideas. Well, and here's my stocking stuffer outfit of the day. My earrings are just inexpensive ones that I got at Target years ago. My bracelet belonged to my second mom. She really loved costume jewelry, as do I, and this is one of my favorite pieces of hers. And this ring belonged to my mother-in-law. My top it's secondhand, came from Poshmark, and I love kind of the flamenco sleeves. I think that's really kind of fun. My breeches are my new favorite jeans. I got these off of Amazon. They're high-waisted, but I like them because they've got a little bit of stretch, so they'll be great for working out in the garden. They are so comfortable. And my shoes came from Nordstrom Rack. So there you go. There's my outfit of the day.